guys, welcome to another Midland HLR video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a version 15 Midland HH54VP2, and I am here along with Recom. Shut up. All right, so I'm here with these meme people that are.
Oh, with this thing, it's so much easier to do ASMR. It's so much fun.
Alright, so it's Recon EAS out of Phoenix, Arizona, SPC Lexington, and SPC Brookfield 1998.
Actual mic, but I don't. But at the same time, it's like, oh, wait. Let me get it. Wait, can you ear rape people?
I swear to God, if you ear rape this while I'm unboxing.
I'm legit taking a government test right now, and I probably should be taking.
Alright, I'm gonna start opening this.
Look what I finally got. Stupid AirPods for shit. Okay, well, you're getting one. I mean, what? Okay. Your computer has virus. Oh, shoot, the phone that I usually. Oh, shoot.
If this box wants to open.
Shut up. Biscuit. Oh, it's fish.
Alright, so I got plastic bags. And here's the dock. Ah, the antenna cover fell off.
Not funny.
I think it may have gotten damaged in shipping, but nothing some tape won't fix.
What does it look like?
The antenna cover kind of fell off. So it is a version 15.
Mine did it too. Why are the V15 so famous for their antennas falling off? What the?
So let's see. I think it feels like the battery's in it. Yep. So here's the battery pack that came with it.
I just downloaded the game yesterday, and for the 5 times I've been imposter, I am like the bomb at it, and I never died.
All right, so let's go take it over here and plug it in. Give me a second.
And then FW, wait, what?
Alright, I'm back. Did I miss anything?
Yeah, you missed most of the unboxing. Yes, really. So let me go plug this in real quick, and I'll go.
I don't know if he's recording her right now, so.
Yes, it's a VP2. It comes with a rechargeable one. Did you take the radio? All right. Wait, where did I put? Boy, did you take it?
I didn't take it.
Oh.
If he's recording right now, hello, my name is Recon EAS. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. We also have Blixie.
Well,
So let's turn it on.
decided to just now run out of storage.
Version 15. All right.
I thought they came new in box.
So let's set up the time. First, let's set up the frequency. Oh, it's already on channel 7.
Here's the old one.
Here's the version 16 next to it.
Can I have the old one?
No.
Why?
So the current time is.
Did I get my WR300 back? My phone just now decided
Current time is 7:38 p.m. So yeah, that's it. So that's probably about it. So subscribe to these fucking meme lords that keep ear raping my voice chat.
Wait, test the cradle on it.
All right, here's the dock on it.
Plug the dock in.
Let me plug the dock in real
It's on
quick.
the back. There we go.
Now the dock's working. Now that's it. Now I'm going to find some tape to put this antenna cover back
You can
on.
use my glue gun.
No, we're not using a glue gun. So that's about it. So that's the unboxing and I guess setup. Oh. So that's about it. So I guess see y'all.